The YouTube is showing ads on non-monetized channels. YouTube is running ads on non-monetized channels, but the creators aren't receiving a share of ad revenue. YouTube creators are fuming over a change to the site's terms of service stating ads will be shown on channels that haven't opted into monetization. It's not the advertising itself that isn't sitting well with creators, it's YouTube's decision not to pay non-monetized channels for serving ads. Ordinarily, creators would have to join the YouTube Partner Program in order to allow ads to be served on their channel. Right to monetize. YouTube is adding a new section to its terms of service titled Right to Monetize. Agreeing to the new terms of service, which is mandatory for all users, means agreeing to everything laid out in the Right to Monetize section. Here's a snippet of what is stated.
You grant to YouTube the right to monetize your content on the service, and such monetization may include displaying ads on or within content or charging users a fee for access. This agreement does not entitle you to any payments.
The company says this change is now rolling out slowly to a limited number of videos from channels not in the YouTube Partner Program. So all creators should be aware that ads may start appearing on some of their videos at any time. As far as I can tell from reading the updated terms of service, YouTube will not notify creators when ads begin showing on their content. For creators not currently in the YouTube Partner Program, the new terms makes it very clear no revenue will be earned. By now you might be asking, if creators want to earn money from ads, why not join the YouTube Partner Program? Here's why not all channels can simply opt in to monetization. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. The one and only way for channels to earn ad revenue is by joining the YPP. However, certain conditions need to be met in order to join program. The two conditions that are holding most channels back are having more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Have more than 1,000 subscribers. So it's the small creators who will be impacted by this change, which only adds to the controversy surrounding YouTube's new terms. Since announcing this change a few days ago, YouTube has been flooded with videos from creators speaking out against the company's decision not to share ad revenue. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.